Hey, what's up, y'all? You can see we got a green day today, man. It took a nice deep dip. It seems like it's bouncing on back. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. I'm sorry, but I guess y'all should have been buying on yesterday. I know sometimes it hurt, man, but you got to keep on buying. I mean, where else or where is there a better place to put your money in the market during these hard trying times? You got AI going to be taking jobs going to be limited, people doing massive layoffs. The only thing that is open, if you know how to make it print, is the stock market. Market is open Monday through Friday every week, except on holidays. Um, whether it's a recession and other drastic things going on in the economy itself, the market still is going to be open. Dividends still going to print. Cash flow still going to be there, man. I mean, with real estate, your tenants can get laid off. Your tenants can get fired. Now you are going to suffer as a landlord, being that you got a mortgage to pay for those that have a property that is not paid off. The bank still want their money. They don't care about no sob story with your tenants or nothing. But one thing about the market, man, there's nothing more passive than dividends. Just getting paid for holding shares. All you got to do is buy the stock, and that's it, and just keep it. Just make sure you do it with a good financial a credible company, But that's it. I ain't going on no rant, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. That's my second time saying that. And I apologize, but let's get to it. Urgent buys, urgent sales, urgent dips. You see, you got Hood trying to fight back. I did get me a full share yesterday at 122. Right now it's at 125. We'll go in and get me a little $5 of that today. I also will go in and get me a share at the daily low just in case it wants to pull on back. 112.91. I'm just going at a solid 113. And I'm going to leave it there. Let's go check out Bull. Bull got down to 872. All right, we're gonna go with that. What I had to tell y'all. SoFi. They paying a dividend yield every month now, 15 cents a share a month. So this gonna be more than enough reason for people to buy this stock. It's not gonna do nothing but go up. I don't know if the growth gonna be there, being that they paying a dividend every month. So they taking profits out the business to pay shareholders and dividends. I'm going in at 26.42. Get 2 shares at that price. Let me go back to Hood. I don't want y'all to say I wasn't giving y'all this buy. I'm going in. Let me replace that order. Let me get 3 shares of that price. Dang, I should have put some orders in, man. I slipped on this one. Anyway, 126.20 still not bad. Can't cry over spilled milk. OXLC. Like I say, y'all sit here and get tricked by these folks, man, with these sell-offs and stuff, man. I think they be doing this on purpose. They get y'all to sell, then they come in and buy low and run it up. Y'all need to act just like the rich do. Got the big swells, they sell off, and everybody panic, and they start selling, and they come right back the next day and put all their money right back in the market at a lower price. OXLC 40 cent a share month going in at 14.26. I had about 50 shares that triggered from 14.39, 14.59 all the way down. WMT, Walmart got down to 98.88 today. Hoping that pull back. That's the stock I wanted to pull on back, but it didn't. Ticker FLO. Flowers Food, $11.30. Matter of fact, it's coming down some more, so I'm going to get some of that. WEN, I had a share trigger. It didn't hit my 839 or 843 yet. That's what I'm waiting on it to hit. But it did get down to 855. So I'm going to leave that there. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. Seems like it won't come below the, yep, there you go, going right back up. Like I say, when these stocks down, you better buy. Damn, 272.30. I slipped on that one. Actually, I didn't even look at the price I brought it at. So I need to go get some of that. Put that buy order in. I'm coming in there. Coming in hot. NFLY. Y'all know Netflix got a stock split coming. So I definitely had some orders in on that one. I brought some shares. What did I get? 3 shares at 14.41. That's what I had it in at too. It got down to 14.41 today. I'm gonna go in and put me. How am I looking now as far as my holdings? I'm gonna go in again at 14.41. Put in for 1 share. You know, this pay out monthly. One thing about Netflix stocks is a growth stock. But you know, you got to sell it to make money. NFLX. Let's check out Netflix. It did pull back some, but it's probably going right back up. Well, it's down today. I think they got a 3-for-1 split or a 10 for 1. I might go in and get a whole share. Let me think about that. CHMI, Cherry Hill. I did get 25 shares of this. I guess going in at 228. Day 5 shares, bring down that cost 2.28. Get 5 more to add on. It's gonna be an excellent swing trade here, especially if I hold it all the way out to that $3 mark. I am at 267. CHCT, Community Healthcare, 14.46. I'm buying dollars. Another thing I need to do right here, I need to go and I canceled a couple orders. Not canceled, but should I say I modified. Okay, 13.56. We're gonna leave that there for 10 shares. 13.75. Gonna go back and hit 5 shares on that one. And I think I had 13.86. Sorry, 13.75. Go to the next one below that one. 13.86. Place that order. Modify this one. Do 3 shares. So we're gonna handle community health care. Next, I'm gonna go to RC Ready Capital. I need to put AFCG. Need to go bi-weekly on this one. They got down to 265. They made a nice run though today. They ran all the way up to 286, and people buying and selling it. I'm gonna go on at the, let me see. I'm gonna go on at the 52-week low. Leave that there. All right, got the yield maxes, man. Coney, I got my 1,000 shares on yesterday. It came bouncing back. I brought at 514 and 522. Brought like 300 shares to get my 1,000. This is how I'm looking now. Like I said, if I do put more money in it, yield max is gonna be Coney, YBIT. I'm gonna do PYPY, IWMY, and YMAX. So this is where I'm at with Coney. MSTY made a new 52-week low. No, this one here fly high too. I would do Coney and MSTY before ULTY, to be honest. Even though MSTY has been getting trashed the same old way, but seem like this got more downside. Seem like Coney been holding up better to me, and it got more trade value. I think ULTY might have a little more trade value, but Coney not that far behind it. But this MSTY, which I'm gonna be sort of chilling on that one. In what is ULTY? Let's go check that one out. 427. What this got down to today? This had to probably hit 399 or something. 408 was the low today. We're gonna see what's gonna happen there. If I do buy more, it's gonna be like 5 shares a week. Not gonna be nothing on no loading up. Seems like Coney fights back a little harder, so I'm gonna roll out with Coney. And you only need one good weekly pair anyway, man. Some people be greedy. I'm very aggressive, but me learning, I just get one and just roll on out with it. Or if you're gonna get two, just dollar cost average. Charge point got down to 898 today. 887. Get me 2 shares at that price. Didn't mean to do that. Back up. There we go. What else we got here? NEWT. Got NewTek 1. 989. Definitely need to get some more of this. Let's go with AIYY. Just lowering my average calls. So this come down 191. This fighting back. Like I say, being at this payout weekly now, it's gonna always pull back every week, not loading up. I know when it does have its nice run. Let me see, Lumen Finance 147. Seems like the market trying to fight back. Like I said, you have anywhere else to go or to run to, man, to be honest. I'm glad this held out. Let me go get me 2 shares of Lumen Finance. Let me spread my money out with this one. All right, on my list, my favorite, YMAX. I brought 300 shares at 1103. See, we back past that mark. Almost there. I'm at 1260 with my 1,000 shares. So, like I say, I ain't loading up on nothing. This got down to 1058 today. I'm gonna go in and get 1 share. I'm gonna put 5 on this one, cause this probably ain't gonna. You're not gonna see this again. If it does, like I said, I'm not loading up doing no more 25 shares or anything. All right, gonna let that ride. I'm leaving it alone, not buying no fractional shares or nothing. TWO, 2 harbors. I'm waiting on this to go back past that $10 mark, man. Went down to $9.59 today. Excuse me. For y'all that been following me with this one, this the senior loan. SRLN, 7.56% dividend yield, 7.58. Where is that now? To go get you some of that. That's a safe place to put your money. Let's see. PYPY got down to 9.25 today. What's the 52-week low? 9.25. I'm going to buy this weekly anyway. This is going to be the 52-week low. Get 2 shares. Ain't about to load up on it. Build it up slowly. When PayPal takes off, this going to take off. Got YBit. 765 today. 52-week low, 750. I'm going to set it right there. Good 5 shares. That one. Got MetaFast, MED. 1128. I'm just doing my fractional share thing right here. Just waiting on this to take off. Let's see, OBDC. It's another one. Say I'm gonna go in and get. OBDC is 1190. See, I'm just doing fractional shares. Trading is 52-week low anyway. Just taking advantage of it while it's down here. HPP, I did have some buy orders come here. It's gonna be another swing trade. Back above the $2 mark. I'm at 208. I brought some at $2. Just building my trade ups. When this take off, go back to that 270, 250 mark. On rinse and repeat with that one. AFCG. I actually put this here. I just want to see where it's at. I'm going to get this. I'm just buying this weekly. So I go in. 52-week low is 304. 305 where I'm going to go in at. I don't think this 24 hours. All right, got that in. Let me check DEA and dial, and we can keep rolling. 2130, DEA 52-week low, 2108. $3 worth. Just accumulate, ain't that serious. DOW. Say we get that interest rate cut for December, especially do 50 points, man. That market gonna take off. Dow 2310. Check my last one I like, man. IWMY. I did buy some shares of this yesterday. This is another one I've left out the list that I just named that I'm going to be taking advantage of. Got the 2076. Made a new low at 2040. I'm going to go get me one at that price. This one moves kind of slow. It's not no I don't even think it got 1 million shares in average trades. It's like 600,000 or something around there. But I will go get a little $10 worth at this price. All right. And that's how I'm moving for the day. Could have another green, red day later. Top moves of the day is Hood and OPITQ, which is a poop stock. Like, we don't have no interest rate, nothing for November. So December is gonna be the next big day. Cause I was doing good before that sell off on yesterday, man. I wasn't spending no money. I was cashing up. CMCSA, Comcast, Nike down 2.5. Nah, I got it. I want this $62 or lower. Brandywine, BDN 342. I have some at 323. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna up this one. So I'm gonna put that at, just in case it reach and touch that. I'm gonna leave that there. Now I'm gonna go in at the weekly low too for Brandywine. Got Arbor. I did put a buy order in with this overnight. I think at 882 or 845 it got down to. But it didn't fill. It shot back up to 882. We'll go in. This is why I'm reinvesting all my yield max dividends at 873. We'll get 5 shares at this price. They just had a ex-dividend date. That's why they start selling cheap and it's on sale. People had to sell off with it. I ain't no balls, not worrying about that. Redwood Trust. I went in yesterday at $5. Day 507. See Westlake Chemicals. You know this one down from the other day. Trying to think so I should take profits on SLVO. They made a new 52-week high. I'm up 35%, $900. But this one, I mean, I'm getting a nice monthly payment, so I don't want to bother it. DISO Disney. No, Disney had was selling off from had bad earnings. So we're gonna take advantage of this one. Disney is actually a good start to trade because it's volatile. Got some DISO. Where else we going? NFLY, we've already been there. Misty, all that there. Let me get some CIM. YBit, we put our buy limit order in on that one. We did PYPY. Got DEA. Charge Point we did. Global Medical REIT. Let's hit this one. 35, I'm at 31. BTCC, weekly pair for Bitcoin. What's the 52 eating low is 24.12. $2 of these two, and that'll be it for the day. These two pay out weekly. All right, that's it. Enjoy your weekend. Y'all stay warm. Signing off. Go get your money.